In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure htaccess file settings in Siteground. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to the Siteground website. Just open up your preferred browser and type in the URL, which will take you to the web hosting perfected by Siteground. Once you're there, look for the login button, usually situated in the upper right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to start accessing your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Siteground homepage. From here, navigate to your Siteground account by selecting the appropriate option. It's important to familiarize yourself with this interface as it forms the core of your hosting management tasks. Next, click on the website section. This area contains comprehensive details about the websites you manage. Once you're in this section, look for the Site Tools option. Click on it. This set of tools is instrumental in managing the intricate details of your website. With Site Tools open, your next step is to focus on the Site section, where you'll find an array of features essential for website management. Here, your primary interest will be the File Manager, a vital tool for handling and modifying files on your hosting server. Click on it to open up your file management options. Now, when the File Manager interface loads, you should be looking for the public HTML folder. The public HTML folder is critical as it contains all the main files that your website serves up to visitors. Click on the public HTML directory to open it. Inside this folder, we are targeting a specific file, the htaccess file. To find it, simply scroll through the list of files within public HTML. This file might not be immediately visible as it's often hidden, so ensure that your settings allow for hidden files to be displayed. Once you locate the htaccess file, go ahead and click on it. You've now accessed your htaccess file, a crucial step in configuring its settings. This file directs how requests on your website are handled by the web server and can control various functions including security, redirects, and more. To modify the htaccess file, you can use Siteground's built-in editor. Here you can make the necessary changes according to your specific needs. Be mindful that even the smallest change can significantly impact your website's functionality, so it's crucial to understand what each line of code does before editing. We hope this guide helps you confidently configure your htaccess file settings. Remember, always create a backup before making any changes, and you'll be well on your way to managing your website like a pro. Thank you for watching and have a great day managing your site.